Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your YouTube videos, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you transcribe your video in Loom? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to transcribe your YouTube video with Loom anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business being a content creator, you know that you can repurpose the transcription from your YouTube into a blog post. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your YouTube studio and your Loom account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Loom account right here and then also my YouTube studio. So first, in order to transcribe a YouTube video with Loom, you need to download the YouTube video. So click here on content. Once you click on content, go ahead and just choose a video that you want to transcribe with Loom. So I'll choose this one right here and just click on these three little dots that pop up when you hover over the video. Once you do that, you'll see a drop down menu and just click on download. Okay, now you see it's downloading right now. Okay, my YouTube video has downloaded. So the rest of the process is going to be handled here in your Loom account. Okay, so here I am in my Loom account. So here from the home screen, you're going to click on my library here on the left. Next, what you're going to do is click on new video. Once you do that, you'll see a drop-down menu and you want to click here, upload a video. Okay, next what you want to do is go ahead and grab the video that you downloaded from YouTube. Okay, I have the video right here and we're going to go ahead and upload. Okay, quick second later, Loom refreshes in a new browser. Now you can see here is my YouTube video. And we're going to give a few moments while it transcribes automatically. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see it's still processing. So it's actually been about 8 minutes. So my Wi-Fi where I'm at is actually kind of slow. So you need to give it some time to process. Then you're going to see a summary and chapters down here. However, let me go ahead and jump on over to another video. Okay, as you can see, these buttons are no longer grayed out. So in order to get the transcript for your YouTube video from Loom, here on this menu on the right, there's 5 options. Click on transcript. Okay, you can see it's transcribed everything out. So there's a couple of different ways you can download this transcript. Here on the right, you're going to click on download, or you can copy the transcript. So if you copy it, let me go ahead and open this up. Okay, I opened up my email. Let me go ahead and paste in the transcript. Okay, so here is the transcript as you can see right there. So that's if you copy it to your clipboard. Let me jump back to Loom. Okay, here we are back on Loom. You can go ahead and click here, download. Okay, quick second later, it goes into your download folder, so you can go ahead and open up the transcript from your YouTube video. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to transcribe your YouTube video using Loom, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.